STOPit is powerful in serving both as a deterrent and facilitating the upstander effect. The STOPit platform provides schools with powerful tools to report and manage conflict, harassment, bullying, cyberbullying, and any type of harmful and inappropriate behavior. Students are equipped with a mobile app for fast, secure, and anonymous reporting. STOPit Messenger gives you the power to follow up with the anonymous submitter of an incident and conduct a real-time, two-way anonymous conversation, so you can get more information and ask questions, facilitating an effective and efficient investigation. Get ahead of incidents and mitigate risk. STOPit's incident management and reporting system. You decide who will receive and manage real-time reports from students. Time and date-stamped records ensure easy compliance reporting and legal protection. Utilize customizable incident attributes in order to build valuable and trackable data for your institution. Built-in reporting tools highlight problem areas, track your progress, and identify trends. And proactively address issues with our alert engine, which automatically alerts you to repeat offenders, behaviors, or other issues. Send notifications directly to students via the STOPit app, such as safety alerts, advisories, or policy reminders. Let STOPit help save you time and mitigate risk with our simple, fast, and powerful solution.